Parallax background images create an effect where the background image is stable and the website kind of moves over it. In Brizy, that is done within the blocks. For this site, I want this background image to have a parallax effect. Go to the settings of the block and then go where the image is within the background. Over here you will see the parallax effects. Currently it's set to none, which means that this image will move with the page as you scroll. To activate the parallax, simply select one of the options from the drop-down menu. You have fixed and you have animated. Let's put it on fixed first to see exactly what it does. The moment I select it, you see the image moves a little bit and you'll think, hey, nothing happened. But the moment I start scrolling, you will see it does this. Now, what is important to understand by fixed is exactly that. The image is fixed to the background. If I scroll here, you will see that these two people remain exactly in the same position as I scroll. To achieve that, the image has been stretched to fit to the height of the viewport, which is your display. That means that this image is now stretched to be at the top of your display as well as to the bottom. To give you an idea of how this works, let's choose an image that is very narrow. I will delete this image and then choose another one over here, and you can see this one is quite a narrow image. When I select it and leave it on fixed, you will see that it is now stretched still to fill the top of the screen all the way to the bottom of the screen. Because it is a narrow image, it doesn't look that good and it becomes blurry. So you have to remember, whenever you want to use this kind of effect for parallax, you have to choose an image that is quite boxy almost. Here's another good example of one that will work. If we put it then on animated, animated is almost similar to fixed. But as you scroll, the image will also scroll up a little bit. And as you scroll down, you see the image also scrolls down a little bit with the motion. And that is how you achieve the parallax. Parallax is very standard for hero images like this at the top, but you may also want to add it somewhere in the middle of your site. So let's add one over here. And I'm just going to put a background for it so that we can see how it will look. Going to grab this one of the venue and add it. What I will do now is I will put it on fixed, and you will see that as I scroll with this narrow bar all the way from the top to the bottom, it's like a reveal of the image. The image, the moment it becomes parallax fixed, will stretch always to fill the entire screen from the top to the bottom, so that as you scroll over it with the site, it will be in view. The same for animated. And then, of course, if you just want the image to display normal again, you put it back on none. Now it will go with the image, and setting your focus point then for this image will be very important to ensure that the part you want in focus will remain in the view all the time. And that's how you achieve that parallax effect within Brizy and both the free and pro versions. For more tutorials to learn how to work with Brizy, make sure you subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Also come and join the Facebook community and visit us at brizy.io.